Hello, everybody. I hope you're all having a really nice day. I just want to make a short video to talk to everybody about what's been happening in the market. Um, Lately, we've been having a crisis. It's kind of I would say it's a pretty big crisis. We haven't had a crisis like this since the financial crisis in 2008 when we had the housing crisis, the mortgage crisis in the United States, when it could not hold. So currently, we're at a crisis that's a little bit more effective than that. A lot of stockholders have lost a lot of money due to this to what we're currently having, and as you all know, it's happening because of the coronavirus. I would say there's a little bit more to it than that, but the coronavirus is a big player in this game. Um, if we're looking at the whole economy in China, they have been under quarantine. They're not working. Offices are closed. Stores, shops are closed. Coffee shops are closed. Factories are closed, and this is of course affecting the import export in China. And as you all know, import export, a lot of the import export goes around the world and goes to the United States. And of course, this is affecting the stock market. And of course, a lot of stockholders are scared of this and they're selling their stocks. So clearly, there's a huge downtrend here. We're looking at one day candlesticks. So each one of these candlesticks represent one day, and you can see these huge jumps, these huge gaps. I haven't seen something like this for quite a while. Now, you're looking at the whole stock market and you're looking at what's been happening in the last few months with Tesla. I mean, Tesla had a few days that it's been up, 12%, 15%, and that's crazy. I've never seen something like that in my history of trading. So obviously, we're reaching an age, an era right now where things are going to change. No doubt about that. The question is, where to? And the question is, you guys as traders or as speculators, what side of the market you're on? It's very important to analyze and to understand, try to understand where the market is going, because obviously, right, it can go many different places from here. It can jump back up, it can jump all the way down, it can go sideways. You never know what's going to actually happen. Nobody truly knows. But right now I'm looking at one of my favorite indicators, which is the ribbon EMAs. Now I'm looking here, and clearly, if we're looking at the 1 day EMAs, clearly they have crossed, and it has created a huge downwards trend right here. What I'm going to do as well, I'm going to put it on a 1 week candlestick as well, just so we have a better idea of where it's going. Now, 1 week, let's see, on the 1 week, if we continue moving down and the 1 week candlestick and the 1 week candlesticks and the 1 week um, moving average ribbons touch, I will definitely be a lot more scared than I am now, because right now, as I see it, right, a lot of people are saying in this economy, right, if you look at what Warren Buffett is saying, he's actually saying, buy the dip. When the market is down, that's when you should buy. That's what Warren Buffett himself has said in a few of his quotes. So obviously, for investors, if you have money and the market is going down, I mean, you would be better off, right? So, anyways, I just wanted to talk about that a little bit as well. If we're looking at other stocks, I mean, you're looking at Apple here, and Apple is clearly down a lot. I mean, it was all the way up at $328. Okay, now if you're looking at the price of Apple, it's $256. That's crazy. And if it goes down a little bit more, I really don't know what to say about this market. I mean, we've had things like that before. I mean, if you're looking here, it's not 1 day, it's not just 1 week that it happened, it's a little bit more, but it was all the way at $233, and then it was on $138. So obviously, right, the market always tends to, recover. The question is, where are we going from here? You guys, what do you think? Let me know in the comments. I would love to know what you guys think about this whole the whole economy, and especially about the economy in the U.S., the U.S. stocks. Let me know in the comments. Subscribe, like my videos. I would be more than happy to post more videos in the future. Let me know what you think. Bye bye.